Davey. Just taking a look at your Photoshop self-portrait project. Um, does seem like you included some things that you're interested in. You got one clipping mask. We were supposed to have two. Um, it is in CMYK color mode, which is good. If I go to image size, though, I was noticing this is in 72 DPI. If I put this on 300, which it's supposed to be at, as far as the resolution goes, it's 19 by 13, so it's still high resolution. It's just not set up to the correct image size. I think what you did is you opened up this background image first and then started placing stuff on top of it instead of starting a new document and making it 8.5 by 11 at 300. PPI at CMYK color mode with transparent background, and then placing stuff into that document. So that's one thing that we kind of ran into with a lot of students actually did that. So, but yeah, I was hoping that maybe you would clip out, something else, a different clipping mask. I think I did go over how to clip out these letters in the last video. But I think it does show a bit about you for sure. And, you're proud of graduating and sports and music. So it does show something about you. So I appreciate that. You've met most of the requirements, like I said, but the fact that you didn't get the image size or the dimensions set up properly is going to hurt your grade a little bit. And then you're missing a clipping mask. I needed two at least. But you definitely have enough layers. So anyway, on to the next project. Let me know if you need help with the logo project. I'm giving you a bit of an extension on that by quite a bit, actually. And we're going to be kind of slowing down for a little bit. So it's not going to be quite so fast paced moving forward here. So anyway, we'll talk to you later. Great job.